So I have done the wiring of my PLC. How? If you can see over here, I have connected my line and neutral, right? And the SS pin that is for source sensing, I have connected that with its own 24 volt out over here. Generally we use external power supply to obviously connect to source sensing, so that because the internal power supply of 24 volt out does not have high amperes, right? So it is normally recommended to use external supply. I'm using internal because I'm just using it for demonstration and testing purpose, right? That's why I am using a very low I'm using a very low size cable as well. So use generally this size cable and use external power supply. So anyways, if you can see over here, my PLC is LX3V. If I just zoom a bit or click over here, LX3V0806MT. What that means is 08 inputs, 06 outputs. As you can see, Y0 to Y5, X0 to X7, and then MT. T means transistor output. That means it is a transistor based output for high speed switching. If it was relay, that would mean it can operate higher loads. Generally we use external relays with PLCs as well. So moving on, if you can see, it is X0 to X7. That means the next input would start from X11. There won't be any X8, X9 or X10. Reason being, it starts in octal numbers, just like it starts in Delta PLCs, right? So after X7 it would start from X10, then X11, X12, then it would go till X17, then it would start from X20, because the designing of Vicon PLCs are in octal numbers, similar to Delta PLCs as well. So you can see really glowing lights over here of power and run. I really like that. Instead of LEDs, they are glowing the text, which is a nice touch over here. So yeah, I've connected the wiring. I've connected since 24 volt out to my SS pin, right? That means it is connected to source mode, because now PLC would be powering up my sensors, right? Internally it would be supplying 24 volt, and the other end I have to use common pin so that my circuit is completed. So this is connected to this wire. If you can see over here, it is connected to common pin, right? And if I plug it to all the inputs on the top, for example this one, it turns on the input light. It would keep turning on the respective input lights. Just make sure to not connect it to 220 volt, otherwise it would be a blast, a short circuit, a blast. So make sure to work really safe with 220 volt, with 24 volt supplies, and make sure to connect the right supply at the right place. Yeah, so you can see I'm using source mode wiring. If I connect my 24 volt over here, common pin, from over here to SS on the top, that means my PLC would be in the sync mode, and from all the sensors I have to supply 24 volt externally to all the sensors. So I believe there are multiple wiring. I've explained the wiring types multiple type to my subscribers, right? So I hope you understand that concept. It is really simple. I will share the diagram as well in case of any confusion. So this is the wiring, and I believe in the next step we will configure this hardware and program it using the USB port. Thank you.